What do we call a baby cat?
Kitten.
Which bird can swim?
Duck.
How many wheels does a bicycle have?
Two.
Which letter comes after the letter D?
E.
Which animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion.
In which direction does the sun rise?
East.
What is the color of the sky on a clear day?
Blue.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
How many letters are in the word apple?
Five.
What do you wear on your feet?
Shoes.
How many days are there in a week?
Seven.
Which is the big, shining object in the night sky?
Moon.
Which is the purpose of the telephone?
Talk to people.
Which number is between 5 and 7?
Six.
How do you spell this number in English?
21.
Which one of the below is a domestic animal?
Horse.
What part of the plant helps it to breathe?
Leaf.
What does a green light in a traffic signal mean?
Go.
Which one of the below is a living thing?
Plant.
How many letters are there in the English alphabet?
26.